Did you know that the key to unlock your potential in 2025 is not first about the actions you take, but in how you think? Let's talk about a mindset shift that can transform your year. Hi, I am Somi Wonder, a transformational coach, a certified speaker, a corporate trainer, and a licensed pharmacist. Today, we are diving into how to develop a growth-oriented mindset for 2025. Whether you are looking to advance in your career, to grow personally, or to make a bigger impact, I believe that this mindset will be part of the foundation that you need. So grab a notebook because this is about to be transformational. What is a growth oriented mindset? I have here a growth oriented mindset is the belief that your abilities, your intelligence, and your potential can be developed with efforts, learning, and persistence. This is a mindset that refuses to be stuck by challenges or crises. Instead, it is open and willing to look for a way to use it or to use them for advancement. This really sounds like what is going to help you to win in 2025. Think about athletes who train relentlessly to improve their performance. They aren't born champions, they grow into champions. Why? Because of a growth oriented mindset. What's the key point for you here? Your mindset determines how you approach challenges, it determines how you approach setbacks and even opportunities. A fixed mindset is the one that says, oh, I'm not good at this, and just walks away. While a growth oriented mindset would show up and say, I am not good at this yet. That yet changes everything. Now, let's look at steps to develop a growth oriented mindset. The first step is to embrace challenges. Of course, 2025 is our year, but that does not automatically equal to no challenges. In fact, as I am talking to you right now, I am currently experiencing a challenge. So when I encountered it, I did not feel good about it, but I quickly thought of how to make the most of it. So instead of sulking, passing blames, complaining, I am here making the most of it. In 2025, instead of avoiding challenges, face them head on. You've got to walk into the challenges and ask the question, how can I turn this? How can I turn this to my advantage? Every challenge is an opportunity to learn and to grow. So you should be asking yourself, what is the lesson in this instead of complaining about it? The second step is to value effort over perfection. Listen to this. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Celebrate every effort you are putting in rather than focusing solely on results. Effort builds mastery. This is so awesome. Effort builds mastery. So let me ask you, what is that thing you want to do? Start putting in the effort. Yes, you are not good at it, but don't stop at that. You are not good at it yet, right? So people may laugh at you, but guess what? You are becoming a master at that thing by valuing the effort you are putting in over perfection. You are learning how to exercise your mental muscle. No matter the goals you have set for 2025, I want to say this to you. No matter the goals you have set for 2025, detach yourself from the outcomes. This is because when we focus so much on that, we may not be grateful for who we are becoming in the process. Even if the results don't come yet, the work you are putting in is shaping you into a better person. I feel like saying hallelujah there. The third step is to reframe failures as feedback. Failure isn't the end. It's not. Your life is bigger than failing. Okay? It is a stepping stone. When something doesn't go as planned, ask, ask, what can I learn from this so I can do it better the next time? Successful people see failures as feedback, and I believe that you are really going to be successful. Yes. The fourth one is to cultivate curiosity. Don't let anything kill your curiosity. Be a lifelong learner. Read books, ask questions, watch videos like you're doing right now, and seek out mentors. Curiosity keeps your mind open to possibilities, and that can really help you to develop a growth mindset. The final step I'm going to share with you here is to surround yourself with growth minded people. How do you even want to develop a growth mindset if you are surrounding yourself with people who have fixed mindsets? So your environment matters. Surround yourself with people who challenge and inspire you to grow. Remember, iron sharpens iron. Now that you have learned the steps to develop a growth mindset, how can you apply this in 2025? I would encourage you to set stretch goals, goals that can push you out of your comfort zone, okay? Because that provides you an opportunity to apply the steps that I have outlined in this video. So let us do a recap. To develop a growth-oriented mindset, embrace challenges, value effort, reframe failures, stay curious, and surround yourself with growth-minded people. Take notes of the fundamental truth that your mindset is key for everything you will achieve in 2025 and beyond. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with someone, with a friend, with a sister, with a brother, someone who is going to find this message helpful so that he or she can be empowered to win in 2025. Let me know in the comment section what have you learned from this video that you are going to be applying in your life. I really want to hear that from you. Until next time, keep growing, keep leading, and keep in mind that transformed people transform the world.